Yo, hi guys, this is your boy Zach Official, and I want to give thanks everybody who have just subscribed to my channel. I want to say thank you all for joining me. Thank you all for keeping on motivating me. Thank you all for sending your positive feedbacks. You really inspire me to keep on going to this channel, and I really have that faith that we are going far. Me and you, through this journey of success, we are going far, and we just started, and it doesn't matter where we are going, but that step that we are taking today, I know some days back, some days ahead of us, it will really reflect. So stay in tune, stay motivated, click that notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. I wish you all well, and I really love you. I really appreciate your time. I really appreciate your effort. I really appreciate everything that you're sacrificing to uplift this channel. I thank you all, and I salute you guys. So, how can we relate discipline with our profession? How can we relate discipline with our working colleagues? How can we relate discipline at our place of job where we do our daily core? See, associating with a colleague or your employer, it's very significant because the respect that you're going to expose yourself to those people, it will really be creating a better understanding with your employer, creating a better understanding with your co-worker or colleague. This will help you, this will motivate you to keep on working with the environment that you are peacefully associating yourself with each and everybody that is in that specific department or sector. So understanding the importance of discipline on a employee basis or a colleague basis, it's very important. We need to have self-respect to ourselves. We need to have discipline to ourselves so that when we associate with these people, this will encourage us, this will help us have a better understanding to the core mission that we are here by position of doing. So discipline is something that is very important, and discipline will bring unity. Discipline will create opportunities. You see, when you have a discipline at your professional standard, such organization, when you want to apply for a job, many organizations look at your discipline level. When you don't have that exposure of discipline, such organization may not be interested in employing you. So having a better discipline, having a better level of discipline is something very important, and it's something that it will motivate everybody, including you yourself, who is working on that environment. So this goes to all those people who are working out there. Understand your discipline at that level of your occupation. You can be a CEO, you can be a manager, you can be something great, you can be even a casual worker, but you know your levels of discipline, this will determine how focused you are, how ambitious you are on that sector. So understanding the basic principle of discipline at our professional standard, it's very important.